maraming believers na lumaki na naniniwala na holy ang pagiging miserable. As if suffering automatically means spirituality. Pero tingnan mo to, si Jesus, kapag dumating siya sa isang lugar, people were fed. Merong kasiyahan, may party. People were healed. People were restored. The kingdom of God brings life. Now, listen carefully. Hindi ibig sabihin lahat ay magiging milyonaryo kagaya ng pangako ng mga naririnig mong mga sermon. But it does not mean this. God is not glorified by hopelessness. The kingdom is not broke. The streets of heaven are described with gold. Not because heaven worships money, but because heaven is overflowing with the glory of the King. Yung mga pinapangarap mo dito sa lupa ay nilalakaran mo lang doon sa langit. At kapag ang hari ang gumalaw sa buhay mo, He restores dignity. Maybe financially din, maybe emotionally, maybe spirituality. But restoration is part of the kingdom of God. So stop apologizing for believing God can bless your life. Just remember this, the blessing is never the destination. The King is. Ang King ang may-ari ng lahat at siya ang iyong tatay. Come to the kingdom of God. Come to Jesus.